This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a clean recording track so you capture usable audio. Create a sequence with the right frame and sample rate. 48000 HZ is standard. Then add a dedicated mono audio track. Make sure the track input is set to your microphone and arm it for recording. Check levels so peaks sit around -6 dB. Once you see healthy meters, toggle input monitoring briefly and reduce background noise sources. This prevents noisy takes and saves time in editing later. Now record and manage your takes with intent. Use punch-in when you need to fix a line in a long timeline by setting in and out points. Premiere records only that segment. Record multiple short takes and add markers or rename clips so you can find the best performances quickly. Use closed-back headphones to monitor without bleed, watch for latency, and adjust buffer or driver settings if audio playback lags. Once done, consolidate preferred takes on a new track for editing. Finish by editing, mixing, and exporting a clean voiceover. Trim breaths and unwanted silence, then add short crossfades to prevent clicks. This smooths edits. Apply gentle EQ to reduce muddiness and a light compressor to even levels, aiming for peaks around -3 dB so you retain headroom. Normalize or use gain if needed, and listen for artifacts. If problems persist, distortion or latency, revert to the original take. Check input settings and drivers, and re-record with lower gain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.